What if you go to the dentist, not because of pain, but because you want a beautiful smile?
What if you want to fix your teeth, but you don't know the words in English?
And what if the dentist says something like root canal and you feel confused?
Don't worry. Today, we will help you speak English in more advanced and real situations.
Hello and welcome to our channel, Everyday Spoken English, where learning English is simple, practical, and fun.
We help you speak English with confidence in real-life situations, even difficult ones.
If you want to improve your English step by step, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And like this video, so more people can learn with us.
Today's episode is part 2, more difficult situations at the dentist.
And we will also talk about cosmetic dentistry and root canal treatment.
Sometimes you go to the dentist because of pain.
But sometimes you go to improve your smile.
This is called cosmetic dentistry.
Cosmetic means making something look better.
So cosmetic dentistry means making your teeth look beautiful.
For example, whitening your teeth,
Fixing the shape,
closing gaps.
or straightening teeth. Now, another important term, root canal treatment.
This is for a serious problem inside the tooth.
The dentist cleans inside the tooth to stop pain and infection.
It sounds scary, but it helps you feel better.
Let's learn how to talk about improving your smile.
You can say, I want to improve my smile.
Or, I want my teeth to look better.
Or, I want to whiten my teeth.
Or, I don't like the color of my teeth. How can I help you?
I want to improve my smile.
What would you like to change?
I want to whiten my teeth.
You can ask questions like, what can you do to improve my teeth?
Or, how long does it take?
Or, is it painful?
Or, how much does it cost?
Now, let's talk about root canal.
This is a more serious situation.
You can say, I have strong pain in my tooth.
Or, the pain is very deep.
Or, it hurts all the time.
You need a root canal treatment.
What is that?
There is infection inside your tooth.
Is it serious?
We need to clean the inside to stop the pain.
Sometimes the explanation is difficult.
So you can say, can you explain it in a simple way?
Or, can you show me?
Or, can you write it down for me?
Root canal can make people nervous.
So you can say, I am scared.
Or, I feel very nervous about this.
Or, will it hurt?
Or, can you go slowly, please?
I feel nervous.
Don't worry, I will go slowly.
Will it hurt?
You may feel a little discomfort. After treatment, you may feel different.
You can say, my tooth feels better.
Or, it still hurts a little.
Or, is this normal?
The dentist may say, avoid hard food.
You can ask, for how many days?
Or, can I drink cold water? Now it's your turn.
Repeat after me. I want to improve my smile.
Again, I want to whiten my teeth.
Now, I have strong pain.
And, can you explain it simply?
Pause the video now.
And try to say, I feel nervous. I want to fix my teeth. How much does it cost?
Say them out loud.
Listen, difficult English is just many simple words together.
You already know simple words.
So you can speak in difficult situations.
Don't be afraid of big words like cosmetic or root canal.
You don't need to be perfect.
You only need to try.
Every time you speak, you grow.
like building a house.
One brick at a time.
Let's review.
For beauty.
I want to improve my smile.
For treatment.
I have strong pain.
For understanding.
Can you explain it simply?
For fear. I feel nervous. Simple English. Powerful communication. Now it's your turn.
Write in the comments.
Why would you go to the dentist?
For pain? Or for a better smile?
Write 2 or 3 sentences in English.
Practice today, not tomorrow.
Speak in front of a mirror.
Use these sentences in your life.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Everyday Spoken English.
Like this video.
Share it with your friends.
And keep watching so you never feel bored and always improve your English.
See you in the next episode.
See you in the next episode.